What if the next 100x crypto play was already here? TMX DEX has just got live with listings on MEXC, BingX, and Wix. And the hype is only getting started. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing TMX DEX. TMX is a fork of GMX with upgrades in automation, futures, and staking. TMX is built for speed, powered by freedom. This is the future of Perpetual's Decentralized. You can experience high leverage, faster trading with no KYC, 24/7 decentralized access, all from your decentralized wallet. This is a coin limited with 500,000 tokens only at TGE. And why TMX stands out? It has built-in trading bots for automated strategies. You can perpetual futures with deep liquidity, and you can do staking with real yield rewards. TMX already launched directly on MEXC, BingX, and Wix exchanges. Now, these listings ensure instant liquidity and exposure to millions of traders worldwide. And the tokenomics makes sense. It has huge market potential because it combines scarcity, and based on supply and demand rules, the demand from the top exchanges could create a strong upside pressure. TMX could replicate or even exceed GMX's success story. You have seamless banking for crypto users and newcomers alike. You have unlimited crypto-backed card system, cheapest crypto to fiat and fiat to crypto swaps, reward program that actually pays you back, and it's built for everyone. And you may be wondering, like, hey, why Gasless? Because it is built on Arbitrum and Optimism for low fees. These guys have active social media. They have over 5,000 members on their Telegram channel and over 5,000 followers on their X profile. And also their coin market cap page is trending up. And of course, early listings position TMX ahead of most DEX launches. On their TGE phase, they gathered so far 414 Ethereum, and they have a max of 485. So you can click the link down in the description and get your position early today. Mark TMX on your watch list now. With top exchanges listings, future trading bots, and ultra limited supply on TGE, this could be one of the 2025's biggest opportunities. Click the link down in the description and review it today. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.